Are you just starting out online? This paid survey review will show you where to find a legitimate paying site. Our review is based on thorough research and testimonials. For over 3 years now, that company has been paying its members. You probably have come across sites claiming to pay $30 to $40 an hour? Those are rare opportunities. What's more likely is that you can make a decent income every month completing paid surveys. Can you spare an hour or two? There are no investments to make, and it takes only 20 minutes or so to complete a survey. Choose to take the surveys you like. Legitimate websites have databases of companies that desperately need your opinions. Provide that opinion and get paid in dollars. In 2020, companies pay out in many countries. Calculate how much you make. Turn this into a lucrative side income. Nothing to buy or invest. Here is a site that pays. And will continue to do so. Join now to make some serious money.